Let's see how to create a gradient background in Canva. First, let's open up a design we want. So for this instance, I'll use poster. So to add a gradient background here, all we need to do is go to the left-hand side and click on the Elements tab. Once we click on that, all we need to do is search for gradient. Here, let's choose a gradient background in graphics. Let's scroll down a bit. I want to use this background, for example. Let's just adjust the size here. To adjust the color of this background, all you need to do is go to the top hand side and click on color. Here we can change the purple into orange, green, or red, or black. We can change it however we want, and we can also change the white portion to blue, purple, whichever we want. We can also use this add a new color, so we can add our own custom color to this. Once we are satisfied with our design, all we need to do is click share and download. That's it. That's how you create a gradient background in Canva. See you soon.